Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to remove icons from your MacBook desktop. As you see here, I have two icons on my desktop, and in this video, I will share with you how to remove them using two methods. The first method is by clicking on the icon that you want to delete using the right button of your mouse, like this, and select Move to Trash. The second method to remove an icon from your MacBook desktop is by dragging and dropping the icon that you want to delete here in the trash. And just like this, or yes, this way you will, those two icons are simply moved to the trash. Because if you open the trash, you will see them here. To completely remove those icons from your MacBook permanently, empty your trash like this. Click on this trash icon with the right button of your mouse and select empty trash. Are you sure you want to permanently erase the items in the trash? Click on empty trash. And now your icons are permanently deleted from your desktop. And this is how to remove icons from your MacBook desktop. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.